This video is about 3 subjects. All of them are located in the distance 100 to 100 meters. So let's go step by step. First, this is monument to soldiers internationalists, soldiers and officers who died or who were killed in Afghanistan during the invasion of Soviet Union to this Far East, Middle East country. So when it was at that time when Soviet Union wanted to expand their influence, let's to say. Next, across of the Ingulets River, there is monument to Chernobyl survivors. It was, we see it on this monument, the date 1986. It was one of the biggest tragedy of the 20th century, when a lot of people died as a result of radiation. Further, you can see such old plant. I think this plant, it was built up maybe at the end of 19th century. It's still here. And the church of St Vladimir, one of the oldest church of the city. It was built up in the 1795, but to regret it didn't survive communist era. It was destroyed by Soviet regime at the beginning of 19th century, and only maybe 10 years ago this church began to rebuild step by step. And you can see even it doesn't have iconostasis, and they are going to buy it.